What's up, you guys? I just want to take some time to make this little video for you guys about me and my channel and my affiliate marketing business and how I'm doing, because I don't feel like a lot of people really just do that. They don't have conversations with you about like how it's actually going. They're just always trying to like sell you something. So I just wanted to have a little video and tell you guys what I have done and how it's going. I started affiliate marketing and I stumbled on to a course that taught high ticket affiliate marketing, which I didn't know about at first, and I went through a bunch of courses on local marketing, lead generation, money site, paid ads, Facebook advertising. I lost like thousands and thousands of dollars on Facebook advertising. I don't recommend it. All sorts of different things that I tried, and I came to high ticket affiliate marketing as the best way to make money online. And the best way to get money with high ticket affiliate marketing is using YouTube and TikTok. YouTube and TikTok are where it's at. Making content, making videos. Videos are what people want to see, and YouTube and TikTok is where people go to see them. So my advice to you, if you want to do high ticket affiliate marketing, is that you find a good course that shows you how to do that. I will link the one that I took and that I recommend in the description below. You go through that course and you create a YouTube channel and a TikTok channel that are basically about the same thing, same business name, and you just post content on that. Content around something that you are interested in or that you know a lot about. So either you are an expert in it or you just love it. You just make good quality content around that. You either make informational content or you make entertaining content. And you don't even have to use your own face or your own voice. I mean, there is a YouTube channel where a guy uses doodly whiteboard videos and a robot voice, and he's got millions of subscribers. So that works as well. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to use your voice. But, you know, people like it when you use your voice and show your face. If you're a cool, fun person, if you're kind of like Eeyore vibes, like maybe don't do that, but just start making videos. They don't have to be good, they don't have to be perfect, you don't have to be a professional editor. All I have is like a $40 light. I use my webcam on my laptop, and I bought like a $100 microphone. Just start making them, because they'll get better as you go. You'll get more comfortable, and just make them be full of value and just have integrity. Don't be talking about stuff or trying to sell stuff that you wouldn't sell to your mom or your friend or your grandma. Have integrity and provide value. And then pick a product around your content that has something to do with your content. So for example, I'm passionate about and I love passive income and how to make money online. So I picked a product that is teaching people how to do that with affiliate marketing. A product that I think is great, that I bought myself, that I trust the creator, that works, and that's what I promote. I only promote that one product. Again, it's linked in the description below if you're interested. But that's what you should do. Pick something that you trust and that you like and that you feel good about, and then make content around that. And then just put your affiliate link in the description or on your TikTok profile or wherever. And then every time somebody clicks that link and buys that product, you get a small commission. The other great thing about YouTube is that if you get enough subscribers and enough watch time, 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, YouTube will let you monetize your channel, and you can start getting paid every time somebody clicks on an ad on your channel, which is completely passive income. I have been working on this channel for maybe 6 months, and I already get around $400 a month in just passive income from people clicking on ads when I make a video. That's nuts like that. And I don't even post a video every single week like I should. If you post a video every single week, you'll be making way more money than that. That's my tips for the day. That's my advice to you. I just wanted to have a candid conversation with you guys about what worked for me and what I think that you should do and how you should go about it. If you really want a good step-by-step training in order to be able to copy what I'm doing, it will be linked in the description below. I highly recommend it. It is an investment, but I think that it is a reasonable investment for what you get. So there's no fluff. There's no like, oh, it used to be $5,000 and just for today only, it's 90% off and it's $25. If you find something like that, it's gonna be crap. This is an investment. It's $997. I'll just tell you that right now because there's no secrets here. So make sure you have that much money in your account or you have that much money in credit and you can pay that off easily. And then buy it and stick to it because it is a great course to show you how to create a business online with passive income. And I don't know about you, but I spent more than that on my last cell phone. So #priorities. But anyways, I hope that you enjoyed this candid conversation about what I'm doing, how it's working, and what I recommend, and hope you go out and get free.